I'm here with our amazing chef, Chef Jay, Chef Janet, also known in the civilized world as Chef Pudding. We are making her famous DJ's infamous coconut banana pancakes. Thank you guys for being so excited about them. So I just want to show you guys really quickly the maker of these pancakes.
Hi.
And the pancake chef. If there's one thing that you want people to recognize as they're trying to make this recipe and make these pancakes, is there one thing in particular? Like, for example, is it quality? Is it love? Is it?
I believe it's love. It's definitely quality. The better your ingredients, the better the outcome.
Mm-hmm.
But
So spend $1 or $2 more for the quality.
If you can get flour that's a little better, coconut, a better brand of coconut. I personally like plastic bottles because the cartons I can kind of taste. It tastes a little cardboard like.
Right.
And I believe
for the
that
coconut, for the coconut water. For the coconut water
in particular.
Yeah.
And yeah, love going into anything makes it everything. And we literally have been playing with these pancakes for 2 months.
2 months that we perfected them. May I flip?
Yes.
Okay. Get a shot of this. Get a shot of it. I almost ruined it. Amazing.
Okay, that's light.
Right?
Yep.
I got a light touch. Oh, that is light.
Yeah, that's
light. I'm not touching touch about my flip. All right, guys, enjoy your coconut banana pancakes. Keep sending in your responses, your comments, how much you love them, and we appreciate it. She's the best. I'm okay. Enjoy your pancakes.
Thank you. And one thing, the person who added additional coconut to theirs,
oh yes.
Now Dwayne wants more coconut in his.
That was my
So
first thing to her. I was like, "Good morning, chef. More coconut," and then it was out. So you guys enjoy your weekend.
Bye.